Your iron will look like new. The scale and residue will be gone and you'll never see yellow stains while ironing again. Here's a perfect solution for you. These stains come from scale buildup in the iron. No need to throw away your iron. Mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda in a bowl, then pour it into the water hole of the iron. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze all the juice into the iron. You'll see some fizz. Wipe the iron with a paper towel. Next, pour a bit of vinegar into the iron. The vinegar and lemon will dissolve and remove the scale. This mixture will flow out of the iron, which is good as it cleans all the steam channels. Fill the iron with water, let it sit for a while, then pour out the contents. Rinse thoroughly and wipe the bottom of the iron. Test the first ironing on a towel as some scale might still come out. Look how well it irons white fabrics now. No more yellow stains. Here's the secret to a clean mattress. Stains and dirt disappear immediately, and dust mites, mold, and fungi are eliminated. Mattress companies don't want you to know about this. With this simple trick, your mattress will last for years. You'll need a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to it. Baking soda will be responsible for eliminating germs and bacteria. Next, add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, preferably white. Grab some fabric softener and add 2 tablespoons to the bowl. Mix everything well. Finally, add water and mix it again. Dip a clean towel or cloth into the mixture. Wring out any excess liquid so the towel is damp but not soaked. Lay the towel on the mattress. Place an iron, wrapped in the towel, on top of the mixture. Iron the mattress with the towel-covered iron. There's no need to dry the mattress in the sun. Ironing the mixture will dry it instantly. Now your mattress is clean, dry, fresh, and free from bacteria. This is the ultimate secret to a spotless couch. All stains and dirt vanish instantly. Furniture and cleaning product manufacturers would rather keep this trick hidden. Start by preparing a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It effectively eliminates bacteria and germs. Then add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, preferably white. Toothpaste not only whitens, but also cleans deeply, thanks to its mild abrasives and fluoride content that help remove stubborn stains. The next ingredient is fabric softener. Add 2 tablespoons. It not only gives the fabric a pleasant scent, but also softens the material and refreshes its texture, making your couch look like new. Finally, pour in some water and mix everything well until it forms a smooth solution. Soak a clean towel or cloth in the mixture, then wring it out well. It should be just slightly damp, not dripping wet. Place the cloth over the stained area of the couch and set an iron in the center. Wrap the cloth securely around the iron and gently press the surface. You won't need to dry anything. The heat from the iron dries the fabric as it cleans. Now, your couch is clean, dry, fresh, and free of bacteria.